Generally, it is used for heat and light, but here it has been used for symbolic meaning, that is, burning and pain. Ice means frozen water, a brittle, transparent, crystalline solid. But here this has also been used for symbolic meaning, that is, feeling of coldness, but also indifference and intolerance. Today we shall do poem Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost, who was a famous American poet known for clarity and simplicity. Now, word meaning. Desire means wish. Perish means destroy. Destruction means ruin. Hate means dislike. Suffice means enough. Hold means to take sight. The theme of the poem is the age old question whether the world will end in fire or in ice. Some people think that the natural element of fire will cause destruction of this world, while others believe that ice will be the cause of the end. The central idea around which the entire poem revolves is that only love, equality, sympathy for one and all can help in establishing peace on the earth. Here, the poet wants to impress upon the reader destructive results of bearing ill feelings like greed, avarice, lust, conflict, fury, hatred, coldness, intolerance, etc., and suggests that only love, equality, sympathy for one and all can help in establishing peace on the earth. Now, explanation of the poem Fire and Ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. In this stanza, the poet is analyzing about the end of the world. Here, the poet deals with two possible causes for the end of the world. On the one hand, some people believe that this world will end in fire, means fire of passions and desires, will lead to the end of the world. While, on the other hand, are those people who favor ice, which is a symbol of hatred, feel that it will be ice that will freeze the world. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Here again, the poet is very much sure of the destruction of the world or the humanity, either by fire, that is desire, passion, or want, or by ice, that is hatred. But here he wants to say that if this existing world has to be destroyed not only once but twice, then he feels ice is strong enough to do this. It means that the poet has experienced enough of hatred in this world. Poetic devices, alliteration, repetition of initial consonant sounds in the same line. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Symbolism. It has been used in fire, which is a symbol for desire, and in ice, which is a symbol for hate. Rhyming scheme of the poem is AB, AAB, CB, CB.